In what can be called as close to official announcement, Motorola listed the Edge 70 on its Polish and German website. It is a global variant of the China-only ultra-thin Motorola X70 Air. The H70 comes in three Pantone Thunder colors: gadget gray, lily pad, and bronze green. All three have unique nylon textured finish on the back of the phone. It features an aircraft aluminum grade metal body, and front is a Gorilla Glass 7i. It has passed military standards as well. The H70's biggest claim to fame, it's a 6 mm thickness with 159 grams of weight. It has Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC, 12 GB of RAM, and 16 runs Android 16 with Motorola OS on top. There's some trade-off. The battery is only 4800 mAh, but still bigger than Samsung and Apple's. They promise up to 29 hours of video playback and 66 hours of music playback. Charging is capped at 68 watt wired, 15 watt wireless. Upfront you get 6.7 inch 120 Hz POLED screen with 5K resolution and Pantone validated screen. There's dual 50 megapixel camera on the back, which will be uh, the main 24 mm f1.8 wide lens and 12 mm f2.0 ultra wide. There's a 50 megapixel camera on the front. The single 12 to 512 GB variant can be yours for 800 euros, and you get a gift of either a Moto Tag, Moto Buds Loop, Moto Watch Fit, or 68 watt turbo power charger.